Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we are shopping at Dollar Tree. I have so many things on my list that I want to go get, so let's get started. They have a bunch of Easter egg options out this year, which I love. The sports ones are really cute. And then they always have such cute Easter baskets. I love these, you guys. These will be cute as something other than an Easter basket. That is adorable. I love this little basketball one, and then they have a football and a soccer. Too cute. I love these little eggs. I definitely have a project in mind for these. I like these little larger eggs. I'm gonna grab one of these for a DIY. Dollar Tree has so many fun spring things. I love looking at all their pots. I always pick these up because these go quickly. These larger 2-pack of ceramic pots. Definitely grab those. And, ooh, that's cute. You could paint that and do a cute DIY with it. I'm loving these jars. I feel like these are new. I don't think I've seen them before. And then how adorable is this jar, you guys? This is so cute. I definitely think I need to get it and do a project with this. Here's a quick and easy DIY that you can do with these containers. So get a container of the white rocks that they sell at Dollar Tree, and all I'm gonna do is fill up this jar about 3/4 of the way full. And next, you can add in any greenery. I've been loving this plant. It's from IKEA. They sell it for $5, and it's one of my favorite plants right now, but I love the way it kind of hangs over the side, and it's great for putting on a shelf. I'm gonna pull off some of the branches to put inside, and this took me a minute to do, and I think it looks adorable. I know sometimes we have a lot of trouble finding the items that we need in the store. So that's when I like to turn to shopping online. And I like to do that using one of my favorite apps, Top Cashback. Top Cashback is a free browser extension that allows you to save money while shopping online. I love the browser extension with Top Cashback. It's really easy to install. All you have to do is click on the button to install and then add to Chrome. And I'll click Add Extension. To sign up for Top Cashback, it's really easy. I will put my link down in the description box. You're just going to enter in your email and password. Top Cashback has over 4,000 retailers, and they offer 100% commission back to members. So I love using this because I get money back anytime I'm shopping online. If you're buying something online at Dollar Tree, just go to the search tab and type in Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree offers 4% cash back on anything you purchase. Now, some of the items you purchase on DollarTree.com, you have to buy in large quantities, but they do offer some things in smaller quantities, like the glass jar that I picked up today. So you can search for any item you're looking for on Dollar Tree's website. If it offers a smaller quantity, you can order that. So oftentimes, if it's a smaller quantity, you can order only 4. With these glass jars, I can order 4 of them if I like. You can also use Top Cashback if you're shopping at Amazon, Walmart, or so many other retailers. And there's no minimum payout, so you don't have to get to $100 before you actually get your money back. So once you spend $25 through Top Cashback, you're gonna get $10 back from Top Cashback just for signing up. I'm gonna link everything about Top Cashback below in the description box, so go check it out, and I'd like to thank them for sponsoring today's video. All right, you guys, my Dollar Tree has yarn now. This is exciting and new. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to get this cream colored yarn, and I'll get one of the black. Ooh, I love this color. We'll get a white.
You want to get a couple of these here?
And maybe one of these color. All right, let me know if your store has this yarn. These are all the colors. Next to the yarn section is the wood items. Love these. All right, I love these little wood pallets, so I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. Let's see. And then I've done several DIYs with these boxes. These are really great as well. All right, I need to get a couple of these little spray bottles, and then I always pick up some of these when I'm here. Dollar Tree has this whole new line of paints, and I've heard mixed reviews about it. So I think I'm gonna try out this white washable acrylic paint, and I'll let you know how it goes. I'm also interested in these watercolors. Those could be kind of fun. They have this new spray glue that I'm definitely gonna try out. And then this is called a poster board adhesive. And then this says woodworking glue. So I'm gonna get one of those and try it out for you. It seems like every time I come to Dollar Tree, I'm always picking up one of these for a DIY. That's probably my favorite vase. Now, using that vase that I just picked up and the dowel rods, I'm going to put together a really cool vase to sit out that has some great texture to it. So I ended up using about 5 packages of the dowel rods for this DIY. All I'm going to simply do is take my hot glue, and I ended up that it worked well if I had 3 dowel rods at a time. And I'm just taking the dowel rods and I'm smushing them together, getting them as close as possible, because I do not want to see that clear vase behind it. I want it to be really close together, and I'll do that all the way around. Next, I'm going to sand off the top edge, just because some of the dowel rods kind of were cut funny, so I'm just going to make it as nice as possible as I can on top. Next, I'm going to use golden oak to stain these dowel rods. All I'm doing is brushing the stain on with a foam brush. When I have excess, I'll just pull it off with a cloth. If you run into any hot glue strings, make sure you pull those off. Once you get the outside covered, go in and get the top of it stained, and then I also went on the inside because you would be able to see it. And here's a quick DIY that you can sit out with your decor. So Dollar Tree has these new 3D wreath forms that come in different sizes. So I'm gonna grab one of these for a project. I'm not sure if these sea glass rocks are new, but I have a great idea for them. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I feel like the organization at my store is really picked over. So I won't be getting any organizers today. I have been looking for this organizer for makeup brushes, so I'm gonna grab that. I also need some twine, and I love this one. I have been so excited to find these bottles, you guys. These are new this year. They have clear, they have a pink one, and they have this blue color. I'm gonna grab the clear ones. I thought these containers would make such a great centerpiece, so I picked up 5 of them. I'm going to take off the lids, and then I'm going to just simply fill them with any sprigs that I have on hand. The one that I'm using is just a sprig that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, but really you could use anything. So over in the spring section, I'm noticing a few new things. These plant clips are new. I haven't seen these before. These could be really fun for some projects. You still have the great S hooks. These are great for DIYs and different projects. I hope you guys had fun shopping with me. If you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you missed our last DIY, I'll link it here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.